this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Got a parcel here. I went through the other week with you my garden plans for 2018 and wanted to go one shop in particular to buy different things. And I was watching one that I subscribe to, Simon 50 Shades of Green, and he'd had some things delivered from this shop that I wanted to get mine from. And I thought, well, even though they put on a couple of pound for the delivery, I thought if I go to the shop, I've got to pay out parking for the car, and so it's time, effort, pain, trouble, all the rest. I might as well get them delivered. So I went online and I ordered a few things. So here they are, and I'm going to show you now what they are. Loads of seeds. I'll go through all them with you in a minute. Just hope everything's here. I'm not sure. Yes. Ah. There's a few potatoes in the bottom because they've obviously fallen out of one of the bags. Right. Oh, I'll go through these. Bone meal. I knew I'd use the last of it up last year. So I bought some of that, plus another thing I've gone fetched. It's carrying all this back. Plant food. I need to put some goodness back into my soil, so that's going to go all around. I will want some more later on this year. Tomato food, because I'm growing tomatoes, so I might as well get oops. I'm growing tomatoes, so I might as well get that now. And that's the box empty. But what I've got here is potatoes. This hasn't got a hole in it. These are Pentling Javelin. I've grown Pentling Javelin for years now. They make a very, very good first early for me. And there's more in there than I thought. Brilliant. This is a bag of, aha, and it's coming out. So the bag's open. So that's the one that these potatoes have come out of. And there's loads of them. And these are Maris Piper. These will be my main crop. I've got some potatoes in my fridge that I'm going to start chitting, and they'll be my second earlies. So I'll have first earlies, second earlies and main crop. 2 yellow onion sets and 1 of red onions. I got some shallots as well, because I did grow shallots not last year, the year before, and did pickle shallots, and they're lovely. And seeds. I thought because I didn't grow that much last year. I thought I'm going to get seeds, brand new seeds, because I know I was running low anyway. So this is what I intend on growing this year. I have got some peas, but this is a different variety I have had before. This is early onward, and these were quite nice. I've got Calved Wonder, runner beans, Crusader. I normally do Scarlet Emperor, but I thought I'll have a go with those later this year. Raw beans, I normally have the Bunyard's exhibition. I thought I'll try this Sutton Dwarf. Let's see what else. Spring onions, I normally grow White Lisbon, but I'm going to go for these North Holland Blood Red spring onions. The Bellotti beans, yes, going to have a go at them as well this year. Butternut squash, I try that every year, not really succeeded. Pumpkin, because last year I had no luck with pumpkins, so I thought buy new seeds, and they're jack-o'-lanterns. So I did get a couple of jack-o'-lanterns that come through. Sweet corn, because I need more sweet corn, because last year I did the Indian flint corn. These squash patty pans are nice instead of courgettes. Tomato seeds I'm running low on, so I bought 3 varieties: Alicante, Roma and Tumbling Tom. Broccoli, Calabrese variety, and cauliflower, because I have none of these because I've not grown them before, but I think they're getting quite expensive in the shops, so I'm going to have a go. Beetroot, because I fancy doing some beetroot this year, and I have got some purple top Milan turnips, but I thought I'll have a go with the snowball ones as well. And radishes, because I love radishes and I need to do some. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start some seeds off over the next couple of weeks and start chatting my potatoes over the next couple of weeks. Thank you. Bye.
It's a